concept of thermodynamics. It is a part of heat section. What is the thermodynamics? Thermodynamics, it gives a relation between heat and another form of energies. The relation between transmission of heat energy and other forms of energy, vice versa. Other forms of energy means like electrical energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy. The heat energy converted into another forms or another form of energy is converted into heat energy. That is thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics, we studied the concept of thermodynamic. Basic concept is thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium. And another one is thermodynamic equilibrium. Thermodynamical equilibrium. So this is thermal equilibrium and another one is thermodynamical equilibrium. Again, thermodynamics, which type of physical quantities are using? We using the macroscopic physical quantities, that is like pressure, volume, temperature. These are thermodynamical equilibrium. One is work done and another internal energy and heat. These are thermodynamical physical quantities. The quantities which are used in thermodynamics, that is thermodynamical quantities. And another, the concept of different thermal equilibrium, thermal process. Thermal process means, what is the thermal process? Suppose cyclic process, a reversible process, and irreversible process. These are the different processes we studied in thermodynamics. Again, using the thermodynamic laws of thermodynamics. Laws of thermodynamics, that is, first one is zeroth law. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. Here we studied the concept of temperature equilibrium. Temperature equilibrium. It is nothing but thermal equilibrium. This is temperature equilibrium or thermal equilibrium studied in first. So zeroth law. Again, first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. This is gives heat delta Q, heat energy, and work done delta W, and internal energy. This gives a relation between heat section, work done, and internal energy. So internal energy, that is write as delta U, delta Q, delta W, and delta U. So in this case, we studied some process. One is isothermal process. These are the applications of first law. Application of first law, that is isothermal process. Another one is adiabatic process. And another one is isochoric process. And another isobaric process. So that means zeroth law and first law. Next we are using that second law of thermodynamics. Second law of thermodynamics. What is the second law of thermodynamics? It shows heat and work done between the relation. The relation between heat energy and work. Heat and work between the relation gives second law of thermodynamics. In this second law application is one is heat engine. Another one is, this heat engine example Carnot cycle. And another application is, that is a refrigerator. These are the application of second law. These are the application of first law. This is zero thermal equilibrium or temperature equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium. So this is thermodynamics, the subpart of thermodynamics. First one, thermal equilibrium or thermodynamical equilibrium. Again, we using which type of physical quantities are using? Macroscopic quantities. The concept of thermodynamics, the first one is thermal equilibrium. What is this thermal equilibrium? In thermodynamics, we are using the concept of system. System means in a container, any substance is occupied certain pressure, volume and temperature. This is one system A. This is another system B. If these two systems are at same temperature, the temperature of first system, temperature of second system are equal. Then these two systems are at same temperature, the transmission of heat becomes zero. That means these two systems are thermal equilibrium. If two systems are at same temperature, systems are at the same temperature, no transmission of heat from one system to another system. Transmission of heat from one system to another is called, then the both systems are thermal equilibrium. Then both are at thermal equilibrium. So this is thermal equilibrium, means two systems at same temperature, transmission of heat becomes zero, then the two systems are said to be thermal equilibrium. दोनों एक ही टेम्परेचर में है तो हीट इज एक सिस्टम से दूसरा सिस्टम को पास नहीं होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम. एंड thermodynamical equilibrium. Thermodynamical equilibrium means, so there are two systems, one is A, another one is B. This is A system and this is B system. These two systems are thermal equilibrium and chemical equilibrium and mechanical equilibrium. That means the two systems are mechanical equilibrium as well as thermal equilibrium as well as chemical equilibrium. Then the two systems are said to be thermodynamical equilibrium, mechanical equilibrium, thermal equilibrium and chemical equilibrium. So chemical equilibrium means same property of the two systems having same properties, chemical properties. And mechanical equilibrium means the system at rest. At rest means external force on the two systems becomes zero, mechanical equilibrium. And thermal equilibrium, two systems are at same temperature, then this is thermal equilibrium. Same chemical properties are same. And again, mechanical equilibrium. Same mechanical equilibrium means net force on the systems are zero. Means, so this condition. So we consider these are thermodynamical equilibrium. Thermodynamical variables, example, pressure, volume, temperature, and internal energy, enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs equation. So like work done, heat. So these are thermodynamical variables. These variables divided into two parts. One is path function, another one is state function. Path functions and another one is state functions. What are these path functions? Path function means the process depends upon the path. The process depends upon the path. This is these functions. Okay, depends upon path. Those functions are path functions. The functions does not depends upon path. Those are called state functions. Path function, another one is state function. Path function, example, work done in the process, that is a path function. And heat also path function. And arc length is, suppose in the process given one graph, that arc length also, that is nothing but path function. And state function, pressure, volume, temperature, again internal energy, entropy, enthalpy, Gibbs equilibrium, Gibbs free energy, these are state functions. So state functions does not depends upon path, and path function depends upon path forward. Work, heat, arc length, these are the path functions. Thermodynamical process. What is the thermodynamical process? Dynamical process. The process means the system is changed its temperature or pressure or chemical changes due to heat loss or heat gain. Suppose the thermodynamical process, we know that one is cyclic process, another one is the reversible process, another one is irreversible process. So cyclic process, what is cyclic process? The many changes, if a system series of changes comes, series of changes, A converted to B, B converted to C, again C converted to D, D converted to E, E converted to F, again F converted to A. Series of changes is done. Again it is come back into the original position, original state. Series of process is over. and again comes at the same original process, original position, original state. That is called cyclic process. Example, suppose water. Water is vapor. Water converted into, this is vapor state. Water converted into vapor state. Again this is water is after rain, it is converted into in the form of water. This is the process. Series of changes. Example, ice converted into water. Ice converted into water. Again water converted into vapor. Again vapor converted into water. Again water comes original state, that is ice. This is series of processes over. Again come back into the original state, that is called cyclic process. This is cyclic process. So again reversible process. So reversible process, suppose reversible process, some amount of heat converted into work form. Amount of heat converted into work form, that means Q1 heat converted into work, mechanical work. Then it is Q1 that is converted into work plus remaining some amount of energy is wasted. Suppose this energy plus this work done are joined to converted into Q1. This is called reversible process. That means reversible process means total heat converted into work and external heat. Again external heat plus work is converted into the initial heat. This process is called reversible process. If this process is not completed, that is irreversible. Irreversible process, suppose example, the process, the system is not comes original position. Suppose milk mixed with tea, powder with sugar to form a tea. But this tea is not converted into milk. This process is not happened. Tea is not converted into milk. So this is irreversible process. Milk plus tea powder plus sugar is converted into tea, but tea do not convert it into milk. This is irreversible process. The concept of zeroth law of thermodynamics. What is this zeroth law of thermodynamics? Zeroth law of thermodynamics. It indicates thermal equilibrium, concept of thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium means if three systems A, B, C are considered, A and B are thermal equilibrium and B and C are thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium means transmission of heat zero. Here be transmission of heat zero. So A, B are thermal equilibrium. A and B are thermal equilibrium. And B and C are thermal equilibrium. Then A and C also thermal equilibrium. So this is zeroth law of thermodynamics. Very simple. It gives the concept of the systems are at same temperature. Those are thermal equilibriums. A, B are thermal equilibrium, B, C are thermal equilibrium, then A, C also thermal equilibrium. Very easy law it is. Okay, zeroth law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. There are three quantities are involved in the first law of thermodynamics. That means three physical quantities. One is heat, delta Q, Another one is work done, that is delta W. And another one is internal energy. These three quantities are involved in this first law of thermodynamics. So heat, these three are scalar quantities. The heat energy or heat delta Q, this is we considered when the system absorbs the heat. Absorbs, then we consider it is positive. It is considered positive. Evolves it considered as a negative. This is the heat energy. Heat means one type of energy. This energy to rise or change the state of substance. Rise the temperature or change the state of substance, that is called heat energy. That is delta Q. So delta Q, so that is heat energy. This unit is calorie is a practical unit, and SI unit is joule is the SI unit. So but heat energy, this is when state changes, delta Q write as M into L. L indicates latent heat, and state changes, delta Q equals to M into L. State changes, delta Q equals to M into L. When temperature changes, delta Q equals to M into S into delta theta. When temperature changes, this condition it is write as delta Q equals to M into S into delta theta. Heat is a path function. It is one type of energy. It is a path function. Heat is path function. So it is a path function. It is write as ML or MS delta theta. This is heat energy. And again, work done. Work done also, this is path function, and it is also a scalar quantity. And work done, so SI unit, see a practical unit is calorie, and SI unit is joule. So this is work done. But this work done in mechanics, integration of FdS. But in this condition, delta W equals to P into delta V. P into delta V. So work done is write as P into V final minus V initial, or nothing but dW, that is equals to P into dV. So otherwise integration, work done equals to integration of P into dV. So this is V final and V initial. Okay, limits are V final and V initial. Integration of P dV. This is the work done. So value a system, the work is done on the system or done work done by the system. Then work done equals to delta W equals to P into delta V. So this is the work done. So in this work done, suppose final volume is more than V initial. This condition work is positive. Work positive means this is expands. The system is expands. That condition work is positive. Final volume is less than initial. The work is negative. Work is negative due to the system is contracts. System contracts, that condition work becomes negative. The area of pressure and volume graph, area of PV graph shows work done. Area of PV graph shows work done. Again, so this PV graph, pressure and volume graph, in a cyclic process, the area indicates work done it is. Cyclic process, the area indicates work done. In different process, the work is different. Isothermal work is different. Adiabatic work is different. Isoporic work is different. So different process work is changes. This is the work done. Again, we complete that. It is a state function. State function. The energy possessed by molecular motion and molecular configuration. Molecular motion, energy possessed by molecular motion and molecular configuration gives internal energy. It possessed by molecular motion and molecular configuration. That is internal energy. It is written as molecular motion means internal kinetic energy. Molecular configuration is nothing but internal potential energy. So delta U equals to UK kinetic energy plus potential energy. So in an ideal gas, molecular, no force of attraction, internal potential energy becomes zero. That means no attraction between the molecules. Attraction between molecules. Then the total internal energy given by internal kinetic energy, this value 3 by 2 nRT. This is the ideal gas, the internal energy ka value. This is for ideal gas. Whatever may be the internal energy of a system, not it is ideal or any condition, the internal energy is written as NCV into delta theta. This is the internal energy. NCV delta theta. This is specific heat at constant volume. So specific heat at constant volume. NCV delta theta. This is common formula for every case. This is the common formula for every case. Delta equals to NCV delta theta. This is internal energy. So CV specific heat at constant volume it is. Specific heat at constant volume and rising temperature delta theta and more. So this is internal energy always to give the temperature of the substance. The substance temperature it shows. These are the first law of thermodynamics. These are the quantities used. So these quantities are used to given the first law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics, delta Q, total heat, that is equals to total work done plus total internal energy. Delta Q equals to delta U plus delta W. This is the first law of thermodynamics. Delta Q, heat given to the system and utilized to do the external work and increase the internal energy. Delta Q equals to delta U plus delta W. The applications are there in thermodynamic of first law. So the applications are the different process, isothermal process, adiabatic process, isoporic, isobaric. These are the different process or applications of first law of thermodynamics.